I have a couple more questions. Let's start with the more practical ones. So Rabbi Shimon Bar Yochai says that one should not chop onions or garlics and leave them overnight and then eat them because it's bad for the person. Does that apply to other types of food, like I don't know, lemons, fruits in general? But it's only particularly to garlics and onions.
And plus eggs. So eggs we don't leave without shell. So but what can you do? You can prepare them, right? If you onion, right? Let's say sometimes you don't need the whole onion, or sometimes you don't need the whole garlic, right? So you cut whatever you need, and leave the whatever without cleaning it, as it is. You understand? The same as eggs. Proper. So for example, you want to eat the eggs on Shabbos, so you should not clean the eggs before Shabbos, right? Only peel, not clean. Peel the eggs before Shabbos, right? So you do it on Shabbos, but above the garbage pail. That's how you peel the eggs. Why? Because the shell is a muktzah. You would not be able to move it. Okay, so that's it. So it's three. It's onions, garlic, and eggs. So, but if you prepare a salad, for example, you did egg salad, right? And you put mayo, you put salt, you put whatever onions, whatever you put in there. So there is no problem. We're talking about eggs, mamish, or garlic, right? So, and if you did something to garlic, I'm not sure what people do. If for example, people sell garlic, like peeled garlic, right? And if it's marinated, there is no problem. Do they sell like peeled garlic like fresh? I don't think so. No. Okay, so you basically don't peel it. You cut your onion in half, right? Like peel whatever you need. You use it for a salad, for you cook it, and leave the second one half unpeeled, and that's it. That's how it is allowed. No problem. Okay.
Yeah, I think I heard that this remaining half of the onion is forbidden for being used anyways, like regardless of.
No. Only if you peeled it. If you did not peel, this prohibition does not apply.
Also, I can leave it overnight. Nothing's gonna happen.
No, if you don't peel it. So you for example, you need only half. Today half. You use it for your salad, and you left the second half unpeeled for tomorrow or 2 days later. You're going to cook something else. That's the situation.
Oh, okay. I see.
So you cut it with a peel, right? You cut it with a peel, and then you peel it one half or whatever you need to use, and second you just leave as it is. Then there is no problem. So it's actually in a category of food that might endanger a person, right? So that's in this category.
So it's only onions, garlic, and eggs, nothing else.
Yes.
Only these three.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much, Rabbi. That was fine.
Yes.